Hello there, welcome to the Perfume Experience. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to talk about 5 accessories that will help you up your fragrance game. They will help you organize your fragrances better and give you a little bit of a organization in the chaos world of fragrances, right? So let's get into the video straight away and talk to you about all of these accessories and how you can get them and how they help you with the entire fragrance organization. Now you typically see that fragrances are kind of arranged this way. By most of you, you will have a showcase to kind of have your fragrances organized. So we are going to talk to you about some accessories that will help you make these particular fragrances look good this way, like give them a reach and give them a little bit of a depth as well, right? So all of these things is something that we are looking to do. So let's get going. So the first accessory that we will talk about is this lipstick holder. Okay, now this is something that you can get from Amazon. It can actually hold athers very well, so that's why I kind of got it. It holds about 24 athers, 6 ml ones in this, and it kind of looks very nice as well. So if you're keeping this in a cupboard, it would look very good. I'll share the description in the link for the link. You can get this pretty nice. You can get about a couple of them and easily have a lot of athers placed very, very nicely. The next accessory that we have is this travel kit. Okay, so this is a bag that kind of looks like this. You have a lot of options like this, but this one I kind of liked because it has got this hook as well, so you kind of hang it. But most importantly, what you can actually do is you have a lot of pockets that you can use, right? So you can actually have fragrances that can be kept. So you can actually use to keep your fragrance vials that look like this. You can have, you can use the elastics as well and kind of, place it this way. So you can have big bottles, or you can just kind of, push them inside this way as well. So that is one of them that you can do. So you can kind of, have a couple of them like this. You can also use the main part of the, a packet where you can actually keep a little bit of more, right? So you can kind of keep fragrances in the side. It can be great if you're traveling. You can have a lot of other decants as well. So let me just show you. You can kind of let me close this as well, right? So in here you can actually have a lot more. So let's say you want to use this, so you can have something like this placed here. Okay, so you can have one more placed here as well. So it has got lots of options. So if you have decant options or fragrance bottles, you can keep them. You can also use this side of the pouch as well. So let me just show this to you this way. Okay, so you can kind of very nicely organize a lot of fragrance bottles. I think, in my opinion, this should easily hold about 10 fragrances easily. So let me take another one, and you can keep this just like this here, right? So you can kind of organize them easily. So it looks very nice. You have a lot of pockets as well to keep other things. So overall, I feel it's pretty good, very sturdy. You kind of hold it like this. You can keep this in your travel case, and that should be perfect, right? So this is about 500 rupees, and you can easily get this as well. I will share the link for this as well. Next accessory is a big thing, right? So this is basically my cupboard, or rather this is something that I use a lot of the times to basically store fragrances. So this is quite a big box. Okay, so you can kind of guess this, and it has got this plastic lid which you can take, and you will actually be able to see a lot of stuff that is kept. Now what I do keep in this is basically lot of decants, fragrances that are 10 mls. So I keep a lot of the boxes that are there. So lots of stuff that you will find in pouches like this as well. So pretty good. Again, this is about 500 rupees roughly, but this is extremely good if you are somebody who gets a lot of fragrances, or or not something that you would want to keep everything in your cupboard, but you just want to keep something where you can reach to it a few times. Like I would keep some of the original decants, okay, something like that. I would kind of keep them here, because this way I have fragrances from a lot of different houses. So pretty nice. So the best part about it is this particular box also comes with wheels. Okay, so you can see those wheels as well. So you can kind of drag them easily. You can pull it aside wherever you want. You can close it and continue to use it that way. So again, this is about, like I said, 500 rupees. Very sturdy, very good, and I've been having it for a few months now, so you can comfortably try this. Alright, the next accessory is this wooden step. Now this is again a very nice thing to get. This I again got from Amazon. This is a wooden step. You do get plastic as well, you do get metal. So for me, this was a good one because I felt this looked nice and it complements the cupboard that I was having. So what this helps you do is it actually gives you a good reach. One second is it also makes your fragrances look nice. So you can kind of have your larger bottles kind of placed this way, a lot of them, and then you can use the staircases as well to keep other fragrances as well. So pretty nice, lots of options in keeping a lot of fragrances. You can kind of use the entire space. They actually look very nice when you kind of keep your shelf up, kind of pretty nice. So pretty decently well, you can say it's a very nice accessory, very well built. You can also have some other jugaad that you can do for this, like you can kind of get a thermocol and all of that. I did have all of that, but this feels a little bit better, well built. Again, this is about 500 rupees that you can definitely consider checking out. The next accessory that you're looking at is basically this entire cupboard. Now this is basically again something that I got from Amazon. This is basically a wooden shelf. This is an engineered wood. This is about, I think, 6 feet by 1 feet in width, and I think about 1 feet in height. Okay, pretty nice, very nicely easily available product. So this is something that you can get it and you can do a DIY by yourself. So you can actually kind of fix it yourself. This will help you organize your fragrances. Now this is about 5,000 rupees, but this is being engineered wood. I wouldn't say this is the best of quality, but this works for now for me to do all of the things that I want. Now you can actually get something done by yourself, or have something organized. And you also can see my pet that's sleeping here, right? So you can actually get something for yourself like this, pretty in good quality as well, which is a very expensive option that you can think about. You can also have multiple cupboards that can be fitting in. Now the reason why I got this step up was basically because the shelves are flat in here and I don't have a lot of options, right? Now you also have a cupboard that can be used here to keep your boxes or other accessories. I have basically used it to keep books as such. But overall, this is something that you can get. Something like this is what you can get, not necessarily this. This cost me about 4,500 rupees. I think it's about 5,500 now. So this is something that can definitely help you fit a lot of the fragrances, especially if you have a window or something like this nearby where you do not want the direct sunlight to hit, and something that looks good and also is appealing. So I hope all of these accessories are helpful to you and they help you make a good decision to up your fragrance game. So I hope you like the video and you like these accessories that can help you with your fragrance organization. And if you find some other fragrance accessories that you are using, do let me know in the comments and we'll be happy to check that out. And if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video. Till then, take care. Bye.